Okay, friends, today we're actually going to be subtracting fractions and specifically focusing on fractions with a common denominator. Very similar to when we were working with adding fractions last week with common denominators. So I'm going to put two fractions up here. We're going to start with 4/5 and we will subtract 3/5. Okay. As I showed you last week, I can solve these simple subtraction problems horizontally, or if I choose to, I can rewrite them vertically. This will come to be helpful when we begin subtracting mixed numbers. But for now, these are simple fractions and horizontal subtraction is just fine. So when I look at these fractions, what I first notice is that my denominators are the same. Okay, we have a 5 in both denominators, and that denominator is not going to change. We are not changing the size of the pieces. We are going to be looking at the difference in the number of pieces in the numerator. Okay, so now that we've decided our denominator will remain 5, we're going to look at our numerators, 3 and 4, and this is where we are going to perform a subtraction problem. So we're going to do 4 minus 3. And when we look at that, 4 minus 3, we get 1. And again, our denominator 5 stays the same. Our answer for 4/5 minus 3/5 is 1/5. Let's try another problem. This time, let's try a little bit bigger numbers. We'll do 7/9. And let's subtract 4/9. Again, we have common denominators, ninths in both, so when we write our answer, we're going to keep the 9 in the denominator. Now we're going to look at our numerators. We have 7 minus 4. Okay, so when I think about 7 minus 4, I know that is 3, and my denominator is 9, so my answer is 3/9. All right, friends, we're going to stop there, and I'd like you to try some problems in your seesaw, and then we'll work through your math journal pages. We will be reviewing this tomorrow when we reconvene.